trying to make the point, it's in everybody's self-interest to foster the development of minorities and women. That it's not something you do because it's a nice thing to do or it's a moral thing to do. You do it because it's in your self-interest to do it.
Everybody is a critic, and everybody's got something to say about what you should or fix this. But how many times do people say, you're really talented and I support you 100%?
Anybody who's done a little bit of research knows that African American soldiers faced a very different struggle, particularly those who served in World War II and in Korea, when the armed forces were still segregated and they weren't readily accepted. So their service actually counts a little bit more, I think, because they had an added element of difficulty.
You can't have demographic shifts if you're not also prepared for the economic shifts in the demographics.